Colin Hartley. I'm the estate electrician at Drusillas Zoo.
Drusillas Park is a family attraction based in Alfriston, East Sussex, just down the road from Brighton. We have approximately 300,000 visitors per year. One of the best parts of my job is being surrounded by the animals every day.
It's very varied. I never know what I'm going to be doing when I come in the morning. I've obviously got my planned maintenance, but there can be any sort of breakdown I could be working with. We come in sort of 3 hours before the park opens, and most of the maintenance is all done before people come in because the rides are shut down, and to keep it all safe it has to be done when the park is closed. With the rides we've got manufacturer's instructions that we follow, so there are weekly maintenance that we have to do, monthly maintenance checks, 6 monthly and yearly tasks that we have to perform on the rides. Planned maintenance is important. Through the winter we have to make sure the heaters have all been serviced, cleaned out so that they perform through the whole year. We have to make sure that lighting lights up an enclosure but try to keep it out of the view of the public. And the same with heating, to try and make areas look natural as possible for the animals to be in there, for the public to view it as a natural area.
During the winter, we need to make sure that the animals are warm enough, as some of them come from exotic climates and don't cope well with low temperatures. So if a heater goes down, we need to be able to fix it quickly. Being able to react like that is a key part of my role, so that we can make sure that we're keeping animals safe and comfortable. Drusillas Park have been using RS components for more than 8 years now. We get everything from push buttons, contactors, switches, pipes, conduits, the list just goes on and on.
We've got RS sensors in there. You can see it's got speakers in the ears. So the kids kneel down in here and put their face in there, and then their chest comes close to the sensor and it starts giving all the information about fennec foxes. This is where we keep all the small spares. Got all the RS numbers on the front of all the drawers so I know what to order. Even got the RS planner on the wall.
We really like the fact we can order what we need and get it the next day, which is really important for us as we have the animals to think about. If something breaks down and we don't have the part in the workshop, we can get it quickly and get things back up and running as soon as we can. When things break down, time is crucial. At Drusillas Park, the safety and well-being of the animals and general public is paramount.
It sounds like we've got a bit of a fault on this one at the moment. You can hear the cracking sound. That's the electricity. Where the tree has grown, the electricity is shorted into the tree. So we'll have to do a bigger job, but we're going to have to extend all these wires to bring them away from the tree a little bit. But we know we've still got a voltage on the electric fence, so we know it's still safe. It's quite a crack. It's 6,000 volts through the electric fence. The pump is actually over there, but up here we sometimes get blockages in the pipe. So it's just generally making sure the pipe is clear, or if it slows down like this, a blockage in the pump. And sometimes we get pestered by the monkeys while we're here. We've got a problem. This is a security camera which monitors the anteaters, which isn't working. So just having a quick look around, I can see that there's no power. Something has tripped out. We'll have to do some more tests on that. Animals take priority over everything, really. In the summer it's not as important because we've got a warm temperature anyway, but this time of year, if an animal enclosure loses its heat, then it has to be on for that night. So I've been an electrician for 35 years now. But last week I still find myself at college learning new technologies and skills for going into the future. The 18th edition regulations, they come out in January, aiming towards the use of low energy fittings, so the LEDs. It is a constant learning curve. Just to remind you to wash your hands every time.